Hello Techies, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started with videos. Let's start our SQL series on solving SQL. Last week we solved date functions and we have solved a lot of other functions like character functions, and we have done some joins and subqueries. Please watch the whole series, and please watch the first video, Kickstart with SQL, where I have explained how to install dbeaver, how to install how to create a temporary database, and then how to insert the data, and all those details are there in that video, and in the description box I have given the detailed commands. So let's get started with the other videos with the new functions and new series of what all new things we'll learn. So let's get started. Let's go to the screen. So today is 1st July, which is a Saturday. We are going to start the video. So these are the two tables which we are going to use in now. Select star from Scott.emp. Scott is the schema name and emp is the table name. So I always recommend to write the details like select star from and the schema name and then the table name. So, and we are also using the department table, which is Scott.dpt. So these are the two tables we're using, and if you're not seen the video, please watch the first video in the series where I have explained on how to create these tables. So starting with the 88th question, display the common jobs from department 10 and department 20. So let's find out the select star from emp where department number equal to 10. Okay, fine. And also write select star from emp where dpt number equal to 20. Okay, so here department number is 10 and 20. Where? Okay, and what do we want to find? Display the common jobs. So here I'm doing star. Let me choose job. So these are the jobs in department 10. Let me just find out the jobs in department 10. Manager, president, here mentioned number. Okay, so these are the jobs in department 10. Similarly, let's do it for department 20. It's job and dpt number. So in this you can see that department number is 20 and the jobs are, you can see manager and clerk are same, I guess, but still let's write query to find out. Let's remove the department number. Why? Because here it's 10 and here is 20. It's fixed. And common jobs, right? In intersect is the function which will do get the common jobs. So there are basically three set operators. I'll explain. Set operators. Okay, there are basically four set operators, which is union and union all and intersect and minus. Minus is basically the oxygen of any ETL tester, big data tester. So if you want a video separately on set operators, please let me know. I will create a video on set operators. What is union, what is union all, what is intersect, and what is minus, and how do you use it in different places. So here we want so basically here we have only worked on intersect, so I'm just telling intersect will find the common. So basically if I have five names here and 5 names here, and some names might be common. So basically if I have 5 colors here, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, and if I have black, white, red, green, yellow, so red, green, yellow is common. So red, green, yellow, if I write the intersect, the red, green, yellow, these three are common. So these three are going to come out as the output. So as we saw, just let me explain it again. So in department 10, these are the three jobs: manager, president, and clerk. And in department 20, I'm just running for 20. These are the manager and clerk are common. So when I run the whole query, finding the common ones, manager and clerk are, these two are the ones which comes out to be the common ones. So intersect will find the common output. So basically common for in this particular column, since we are passing the column job. So in this particular job column, it will find the intersect, basically the common values. Okay, and we have given the condition anyway, take it from department 10 and take it from department 20. So display the common jobs from department number 10 and 20. So this is the question. So according to the question, this is what the query is going to be come out. If you have any specific queries, or if you have any alternative query, please write it in the comment box, and I'll be very happy to read your query. And if you like the video, please like the video. Okay, let's go to the 81st. Display the jobs found in department 10 and 20, eliminate duplicate jobs. Display the jobs found in department 10 and 20. This one. Okay, select job from EMP where department number equal to 10. Let me write the select job from EMP where department number equal to 20 Okay, so if I run this separately, say 10, we have manager, department, president and clerk, manager, president, clerk, and in 20 manager, clerk, manager, analyst. So we find out that manager and clerk are common. So here display the jobs found in department 10 and 20, eliminate the duplicate jobs. So if I write, say for example, in department 10 we have these three. Let me just copy it here, explain you these three, and in department 20 I have these 5. So in total I'm getting these 5 plus 3 8. These 8 jobs I'm getting from department 10 and 20. But manager here, these are common. Clerk is common. So we need to remove the clerk and managers one time, which is like 2 times we are seeing manager and clerk. So I have to remove one time and display all. So that is the output that is expected from the question. Okay, display the jobs found in department 10, eliminate duplicate jobs. So if I put, say for example, if I put union all, that means give me everything from 10 and 20. Let me just put DPT number also to make it clear. The EPT number. See, here we have 10 and we have 20 here. So but what I want is, I want only those which are basically both of them, but eliminate the duplicates. So let me remove the department number, and here also let me remove the department number, but let me just put union. If I put union, I will get these and eliminate the duplicates. And what are the duplicates one? Duplicates are manager and clerk are the duplicate ones, but I should be getting president also, right? So what I can do is, let me take it distinct. Distinct here. Yes. So what am I getting? Display the jobs found in department 10 and 20, eliminate the jobs. So clerk, I'm still getting clerk 2 times and manager getting us 2 times. No, this is not the purpose of this query. Query is giving me 2 times analyst, clerk and manager 2 times. I should be getting display the jobs found in department 10 and eliminate duplicate jobs. So I should be basically getting basically those 5 jobs, not the 8 jobs, because manager and clerk are same. So I should be getting manager once and clerk once, rest all should be unique. Okay, so what should I do is, so I just feel this cannot be solved by SAT operators. Let's try with some other way and select. So this is how you have to play around. Why I wantedly I'm doing these kind of play around, so that you understand that you have to play around with queries to find out the exact result, and play around with smaller quantities of record, so that you can make out that this is the output that is required and this is the output that I'm getting. So please play around with these smaller records, so that you get the understanding of what to use when, like intersect and a minus, and just now I wrote union all, union, but still I'm not getting the exact result, and I copied the records and then pasted it, and see, this should be the output, but I'm still not getting this output. So let me try this way. So now, since I'm not getting the output via the set operators. So let me try with something else. So let me do it. What do I want? So this is eliminated, so I have commented out. Display the jobs found in department 10 and 20, eliminate duplicate jobs. Suppose if I write jobs from EMP where department number equal to 10 and department number equal to 20, so which is not possible. See, I'll just tell you which is not possible. Why? Because jobs, okay, job, okay, which is not possible because there is no record with having two department numbers. Okay, it's 10 and 20. Single record cannot have two department numbers. There can be only one department number. So here I have to mention or. Let's see what comes out. See, again you see clerk and manager is coming out two times. Okay, clerk and manager is coming two times. Yeah, okay, but this should not come. So let's make distinct clerk, president, manager, analyst. Okay, awesome. So this is what is required. Okay, these four records. So let me just run these. So these three comes out, and for department 20 these 5 comes out. So here if you see, put it down. So here if you notice, manager and manager. So let me remove one manager. So if you see president is once, clerk, so if you see clerk is 3 times. So let me remove 2 clerks. And then you see analyst also 2 times. So let me remove 1 analyst. So these 4 are the records that should be coming as output. So when I run this, so these 4 are the records that is coming as output. Manager, president, clerk. Here see clerk, manager, president, clerk, analyst. Okay, and just make it order by job so that ABCD ho jayega. Analyst, clerk, manager, president. Okay, so this is cool, I guess. So this is what I did a mistake, wanted you to confuse. Okay, so that's why when during the interview the interviewers would like to confuse you, and sometimes they want to get the right usage of SQL, the right function, the right set operator, or whatever the right way and the proficient way of solving that query. So you have to play around, even in an interview. Don't hesitate to write multiple queries even if you're making mistake. So at least they are getting to know that you know this way. And if at all they get a question why this cannot be solved in this way, so you have to think and tell them a very logical and analytical answer saying that this cannot be solved in such a way. So they will get to know that you have the understanding of using a set operator, of using a union or intersect, and you can run the query there and then and there if at all they provide some database. If not, then you can run it in your mind, and to run it in your mind, you have to run it here and practice, play around with union all. You have to play around with all these queries so as to get to understanding of how these works, and then the same things will come out when you are solving in the interview. So you have to practice to get this hold of these kind of logical thinking of how to solve a query. Okay, so let's see what all questions are there, and video has already been crossed 15 minutes. Let me see. Display the jobs which are unique to department 10. Okay, this is pretty cool. Unique to this department 10. So let's do job from EMP department number equal to 10. Let's do this. So their manager, president, all are unique, but still if you, let's see for 20 if there is no unique values. We have clerk 2 times. So I'm just trying for department 20 because department 10 we have everything is unique. So now if I write distinct here, so I'll get the unique ones, the ones which are copied. So basically manager, analyst come 2 times and clerk come 2 times. Manager is once. Let me order this. So analyst are 2 times, clerk is 2 times. So totally there are 3 unique values. So I just make it distinct. I put distinct in front of this column name. Column name is job. In front of the column name I can put distinct. I can put this in bracket also if at all I want to use distinct as function, but still this will work. And if I don't use a bracket, still then it will work. So So this is how you have to do. This is to find the unique values in that particular column. So now I choose the department 20 so as to because there are in department 20 there are some duplicate values of the job, so that's why I chose department 20, or else this will work in any department or anywhere clause you can put, this will work fine. Display the details of those employees who do not have any person working under them. So this is going to be solved via a subquery. So for 83 question, if you know the answer, please put the answer. Let's see on 83rd question and 84th. Let's see, display the details of those employees who are in sales department and grade 3. Okay, so this is going to get a third table, which is going to be a grade table. So let's not touch this now because then we'll have to start with joins. So let's not start with 84, but for 83 I would like you to please solve this question. Display the details of those employees who do not have any person working under them. Employees who do not have any person working under them. So basically somebody is there and they don't have anybody working under them. So focus on two columns. Let me just give you a hint. Select star from EMP. Okay, so when I get this table, so here we have employee number and here is one MGR, that is manager. The manager of Smith is this person 7902. Who is 7902? 7902 is Ford. So Smith manager is Ford. Okay, Smith manager is Ford. So this can be solved in two ways. It can be solved in joins also. This can be solved via subqueries also. Since I have taught you subqueries, so I would at least request you to solve using subqueries, and by using the joins I will teach in the next week. I will start the video from 83rd question. I'm really excited to solve questions on joins, and it will be really fun to join 2 or 3 tables. It will be nice. Please watch all the videos, subqueries and all the different functions. Please watch them clearly, and after you watch all them you will be able to solve this question using subqueries. So I'll be waiting for your response in the comment section. And if you're liking this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you want to talk to me personally regarding your career or regarding anything in IT, and those who are freshers, those who are just coming out of the college and they have no idea of what to do, and if you are very poor at coding, or if you are very scared of coding, even by learning SQL, which is very simple, I just taught it very flawlessly, and you're just enjoy solving SQL with me. So you can connect with me, talk to me about your past, about your career goals, and how do you want to proceed further. If you're scared with for IT, what is going to be the future of IT, and how should I deal with it, how should I go forward. And if you have gaps in your career, you have not gone through, or if you have stopped your career, whatever kind of a problem you might have and you want to discuss with me personally, there is a link in the description box, the TopMate link. You can go there and book a time slot with me for 15 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour, whatever you feel like. And if you're really liking this SQL series, and you're liking these SQL contents, and if you're liking videos regarding to data warehouse, ETL testing, BI testing, please like this video. This gives me an inspiration to make more videos. I spend a lot of time creating these videos, editing these videos and releasing the videos. So please do appreciate me by liking this video and sharing with your friends, and also subscribing to the channel. I see around 60 to 70% people don't subscribe to my channel, they watch the video. Please, I request you to please subscribe my channel, and all the best in solving SQL, crack SQL. Let's see you in the next week. Bye bye.